Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Armen from ArmensCraftRoom. If you're new here, thanks for joining, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. We really appreciate it. Today I thought I'd show you a new paper pack I purchased, the Paper Roses Deluxe Sweet Rainbows Gold. The entire pack of 6 sheets is one sheet of 6 different designs, and the whole thing is gold foiled. There's so many cool things you can do with this. These are basically rainbow card fronts ready to go. You can see they've got all sorts of different details on them, so they're not exactly the same, which is great because then you can have a set of coordinating cards but not identical. And I think, I would probably just cut these and get 9 card fronts out of it. They've got another one here that's smaller rainbows. This could be great because they're level across. You could cut this into borders and do a rainbow border, or you could use this as background paper. Another nice thing about gold foil is that you can ink blend over it and dye the paper behind it, whatever color your ink is, and then you can wipe off with a towel off all the gold foil, and the gold foil will be there just the same color, and then you'll have your background will be the color that you ink blended. This one is going to be the hardest one to turn into a card. It is a full 12 by 12 size rainbow, but I'm thinking we'll probably end up cutting this and maybe do a 6 by 9 card with like a half a rainbow, or potentially cutting this and turning this into strips and not a rainbow, kind of deconstructing it, maybe making some abstract art type card with it. Another super cute one here, larger rainbows for your larger card formats, maybe 5 by 7 or 6 by 9, including some gold foil clouds that you could cut out and maybe pop up on 3D foam to give it an extra effect. And then a nice dreaming one. This has not only the rainbows, but also there's some dream catchers, some suns and stars, rain and clouds, all fun things to build a scene with. And the final sheet of paper here in this collection is another strip of rainbows. These are a little bit larger than the others, so you could potentially like punch these out with a circle punch or a square punch or even a die. And get individual ones, or you could cut it as a larger border for a larger card. A lot of options on this. So if you'd like to see this turned into some cards, stay tuned for some future videos. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and consider subscribing. That will really help out the channel. And again, this was the Paper Roses Deluxe Sweet Rainbows Gold. This is 190 GSM paper. It is pretty thick. Like, this is a substantial add-on to your card. It is not flimsy, so I think you'd be really happy with their products. Thank you.